Okay. Assalamualaikum and good morning actually, because it's already 12 in the morning. Masa saya untuk buat video lah sebab anak-anak saya dah tidur. So today I will continue with the plant cell, notes on the plant cell. I hope you have watched the video on the animal cell. And now I will proceed with, saya akan will proceed with the plant cell. Okay, so the plant cell, okay, I will not discuss about the nucleus, plasma membrane, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum. I will be focusing on the additional or the different parts of the plant cell than the animal cell. So the first part that is different is the cell wall. Okay, so the cell wall of the plant cell, okay, is made of, okay, you have to know it is made of cellulose. Okay, so cellulose is a carbohydrate, is a complex carbohydrate. Okay, so it gives structure and the function, okay, and the function of the cell wall, it gives shape or structure. Susah pun nak sebut. Structure. Oh, why it's hard to say this? Struktur, okay, shape and structure of the plant cell. Okay, alright, because the cellulose is very strong. Okay, it's a very strong carbohydrate. Okay, it's a very complex carbohydrate. It's a polymer. Okay, so istilah kita guna adalah polymer. Okay, it's a polymer that makes the cell wall. Okay, so it gives shape to the plant cell. So that is why the plant cell has a rigid shape. Okay, and the characteristic for the cell wall, it is permeable. Okay, permeable means it allows movement of any substance can pass through. Okay, any substances can pass through. Okay, remember the cell wall come first before the cell membrane. Okay, cell wall come first before the cell membrane. Okay, walaupun all things can pass through the cell wall, but still ada gate kat dalam. Okay, gate tu adalah plasma membrane. So things walaupun substances can pass through the cell wall, but still cannot pass through the plasma membrane. Okay, so we move on to the next one. After the cell wall, additional ataupun different parts of the plant cell compared to the animal cell is the chloroplast. Okay, the chloroplast. So saya pakai ni lah. Kenapa saya pakai ni kan? So chloroplast. Okay, so chloroplast, okay, is the site ataupun tempat, or it can do photosynthesis. Okay, site for photosynthesis. Okay, so photosynthesis happen in the, Allah, tu guna warna biru kan. Okay, site for photosynthesis, because kenapa dia boleh melakukan photosynthesis? Why chloroplast? The specific function is to do photosynthesis because it has chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll is the green pigment. Terlebih E pula. Green pigment. Okay, it's a green pigment in the chloroplast that can absorb sunlight. Okay, absorb sunlight energy. Okay, so bila naik higher level tak boleh tulis sunlight je, kena tulis sunlight energy. Okay, so it will be absorbed by the chlorophyll and then it can do photosynthesis process. Okay, so that is the chloroplast. Okay, very easy. Okay, what else inside the apa ni, plant cell yang different from the animal cell? Okay, vacuole. Okay, so now kita move on to the next one, which is vacuole. Okay, so vacuole. Alright, so what is inside vacuole? Okay, vacuole contain contain cell sap. Okay, vacuole contain cell sap. Okay, ataupun dalam bahasa Melayunya subcell lah. So the solution inside the vacuole is known as cell sap. Solution is larutan. Okay, so larutan yang ada dalam vacuole tu kita panggil cell sap, and the vacuole also the cell sap contain ada starch lah, yang macam ada student mention hari tu. Okay, but the main point of the cell sap, okay, the main point of the vacuole, the function is to give turgidity. Kesegahan, turgidity to plant cell. Okay, so the plant cell can be turgid, boleh jadi segah because of the presence of big vacuole. The big vacuole inside the plant cell give turgidity to the plant cell. Okay, so the plant cell bila dia has enough water, so dia boleh segah lah, segar, gitu. Okay, so those adalah additional parts yang ada dalam plant cell but not in the animal cell. Okay, so I hope this video will enlighten, okay, membantu serta setengah pelajar yang lost ketika kelas saya pukul 12 tu. Saya faham lah tengah hari kan. So video saya untuk plant cell ni itu sahaja. Nanti next video saya akan ceritakan macam mana cara untuk jawab soalan comparison. Okay, thank you. Okay, so hari